each and every word what you write in your PIQ form. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. As I've promised that I'll be making the third part of this, and the third part which will be including the questions which were asked to me in the interview, and what was my reply to that. And believe me, the video is very helpful and I have literally prepared for 2 days. ये मैं लिख के लाया हूँ बहुत सारा, ठीक है. सो इसको मैंने 2 दिन लगाए हैं प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, और जस्ट बिकॉज फॉर यू what all mistakes I have done, I don't want you guys to do that kind of mistakes, ठीक है. सो इसके बाद भी एक और वीडियो मैं बनाने की प्लान कर रहा हूँ जिसमें मैं वो क्वेश्चंस बताऊँगा जो कि मेरे दोस्तों को पूछा गया था. द क्वेश्चंस विच वर आस्क्ड टू माय फ्रेंड्स बाय देयर इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर्स. आई हैव डिस्कस्ड टू देम ऑल्सो. I am in constant contact with them, so I'll be making a video for that also, but in this video I'll be more focusing about the questions which were asked to me. Before starting the actual video, I want to tell you that don't take PIQ form very lightly, alright? Fill PIQ form very carefully, because each and every word which you write in your PIQ form matters, ठीक है. For every word which you write in your PIQ form, you must think twice. So as to do that, you have to prepare your PIQ form. मैं कसम से बोल रहा हूँ, PIQ is just like a resume, but the importance of PIQ in SSB is very much compared to the resume which you submit in your IT companies का interview whatever, ठीक है. Just to state your fact, मेरे इंटरव्यू में मैं आपको बताता हूँ PIQ का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है. My father is an ex-army, ठीक है, and he is currently in police department for Karnataka. So there is a column in PIQ form which states that your father's monthly income. So I have mentioned rupees 30,000. ठीक है. In my interview he asked me that question. जो क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा था वो मैं आगे बताऊँगा, ठीक है. So my interview was scheduled at 11:30 AM, ठीक है, on Thursday. Alright. थर्सडे को 11:30 बजे मेरा इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल हुआ था, एंड मेरा टर्न आते आते 12:30 बज गए थे. एज आई सेड इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो दैट मेरा इंटरव्यू लास्ट में हुआ था, ठीक है. एंड guys, if you have not watched the previous 2 video, part 1 and part 2, please do watch that and then come here, because you will get a lot of information from there also. That this video is the continuation of that video, alright. So please do watch that and watch this video carefully and completely, because this is going to give you a lot of information, alright. So let us start, ठीक है. So and you know, because of this COVID pandemic, हम लोग को जो the officers were, हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन भी नहीं हुआ था, ठीक है. सो डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन उन लोगों ने रिकमेंडेड कैंडिडेट्स के लिए ही बचाया था, जस्ट बिकॉज दे डोंट वांटेड टू कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ अस, सो दे वर टेकिंग एवरी पॉसिबल वे टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स, ठीक है. सो सिमिलरली इन द इंटरव्यू मुझे लिटरली आई हैव गिवन ऑलमोस्ट 5 to 6 इंटरव्यूज़ इन माई लाइफ, ठीक है. आई हैव क्लियर्ड ऑफ 4 of those. IT सेक्टर वाले, नॉट द डिफेंस सेक्टर, ठीक है. सो आई हैव नेवर गिवन एन इंटरव्यू वेयरिंग अ फेस मास्क एंड अ फेस शील्ड, ठीक है. फेस शील्ड पहन के दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर आई वाज वेयरिंग अ फेस शील्ड. सो ओनली आई नो हाउ मच अनकम्फर्टेबल आई वॉज फीलिंग इट, ठीक है. क्योंकि जो भी मैं बोल रहा था वो आवाज़ गूंज के मेरे कान में जा रही थी. सो आई डिडंट नो कि उस तक जो इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर तक बात पहुंच रही है कि नहीं. सिमिलरली उनके तरफ से भी फेस शील्ड पहना था. उनकी बातें भी ना, जो बेस बहुत ज़्यादा था, इट वॉज़ वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल. एनी हाउ आई हैड टू गो थ्रू द इंटरव्यू, सो आई हैड, ठीक है. तो द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच द इंटरव्यूअर आस्क्ड मी वॉज अ सीरीज क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. तो सीरीज क्वेश्चन वॉज लाइक, I want to know more about you, about your academics starting from your 10th standard to 12th standard to graduation. Also mention your favorite subjects, favorite teachers, extracurricular activities which you have taken part in. 5 qualities about your father and mother which you like, and mention the qualities which you don't like also. Tell me about your incident when your mother and teacher scolded you very hardly, ठीक है. सो दिस वॉज द सीरीज क्वेश्चन, एंड दिस वॉज वेरी लेंदी आई मस्ट से, क्योंकि मुझे याद रखना भी डिफ़िकल्ट था. एंड मेरा जो इंटरव्यू था विच वेंट ऑन फॉर 1 hour 20 minutes अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, एंड पूरा मेरा इंटरव्यू ऐसा था कि उसने पहला क्वेश्चन सीरीज़ में पूछा था एंड बीच बीच में से वो क्वेश्चंस निकाल रहा था, ठीक है। सो आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम माई 10th स्टैंडर्ड टू 12th स्टैंडर्ड टू ग्रेजुएशन। जैसे जैसे मैं बोल रहा था वो बीच बीच में से क्वेश्चन निकाल रहा था। तो second question was like, why your marks have been decreased from 10th to 12th to graduation? Guys, if you don't have a concrete reason for this question, please prepare it by hand. If you cannot present a good answer for this question, believe me, that creates a bad impression. That can be a matter of your recommendation or not. ठीक है, so this was the question, ठीक है। इसका भी आंसर मैं वेल प्रिपेयर्ड था जो कि मैंने दिया, ठीक है, उस टाइम पे। और भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे जो मुझे पूछा गया था, ठीक है, मेरे एकेडमिक्स के बारे में। सो आई हैव नॉट येट ग्रेजुएटेड, आई एम नॉट येट ग्रेजुएटेड, सो मेरा पहले ही था, ठीक है। तो लिटरली द इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर हैड चेक्ड माई एवरी मार्क्स फ्रॉम माई मार्क्स कार्ड, ठीक है। उसमें से भी मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे। वाई यू हैव गॉट ई ग्रेड इन दिस सब्जेक्ट, यू हैव गॉट 4 ई ग्रेड्स इन दिस सब्जेक्ट, इन दिस सब्जेक्ट, इन दिस सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। सो आई हैड टू जस्टिफाई एवरी ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चन एंड आई वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट। Believe me, I was like, मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं किया था। Based, the fact was that subject was a very critical subject and our college passing percentage was 61%. I was at that time very happy that I could clear this subject in the very first attempt. क्योंकि engineer अगर if you are an engineer then you might know electronics and communication engineering, signals and system, control system, electronic instrumentation, ठीक है, ये subject है जो critical subject है। This answer I should have been presenting to the interviewing officer, not in this video, but I failed to present that because I was not prepared, ठीक है। So preparation plays an important role, alright। Before going further, I want to mention that in my PIQ I mentioned I am working for Women Empowerment Club from past 5 years, ठीक है। So the next question which he asked was, do you have a girlfriend? I was like, no, I don't have. Why don't you have a girlfriend? I was like, at this moment I am more concerned about my future. The time will come when I'll be financially independent, and then I do have time for the girl which I am in a relationship to, and then we'll plan for our marriage or so, ठीक है। So this was the answer, and I also mentioned that I am not comfortable being in a relationship at this moment. So his cross question was like, why are you not comfortable being in a relationship? Are you not comfortable to talk to girls? I was like, not as much as boys, because I have a boys gang and there is no female in that. So he asked me boys gang के नाम बताओ. So I mentioned my male friends and he was like, why there is no girls? ठीक है. So I was like, we don't feel that comfort with them. So he was like, why don't you feel comfortable? And I was like, I don't, the power of expression which we share with the male gang cannot be with the female gang. That was my perception. ठीक है, this can be wrong, but that was my perception. ठीक है. So he was like, don't you have any kind of girl in your group? So you are trying to tell me that you are uncomfortable talking to girls? I was like, yeah, a sort of. And then he popped out the question, but you work for Women Empowerment Club. समझ में आया? ऐसे घुमा के उसने मुझे उस टाइम पे फंसाया. This may be easy, this may be very chilled out conversation between me and you guys, but the same questions were very haunting at that time to me. I was literally sweating at that time. ठीक है, hand gloves, mask, face shield and all those, and I was wiping my sweat like this. So all those was very important. So it is very important for you guys to prepare well beforehand. All right, so this was the personal question, and he asked me ki what is your father doing at this moment. So I was like, my father is an ex-army and he is currently doing he's currently in police department for Karnataka. So he asked me, what is your father's pension? It is around some money, ठीक है, and what is your present father's income? I said 30,000. So he was like, your father's income is the sum of both, not the one. समझ में आया? So he can dig yourself to that level also. ठीक है. One more question. My father was an ex-army, is an ex-army. So he asked me, which all medals do your father got? I didn't had any kind of clue about that. मेरे पापा को medals मिल चुके हैं, but I don't know any of them. So you are supposed to know everything about your parents also. And then the question comes is, what is the motivation behind you choosing an engineering? I am still ashamed of my answer. I seriously am ashamed of this answer, because I don't know what was going through in my mind at that time. I was like, filmy dialogue mara maine us time pe, I don't know. I am still uncomfortable sharing this with you, but still I will try to. I was like, if a layman, I had a thought at that mind, if a layman is walking on the road and if a supercar passes by him, the layman can only say that, wow, what a supercar. But only an engineer has the audacity to say that I can make it better. बहुत क्लीशे लाइन था, बहुत चीज़ी लाइन था, and that cannot be a motivation. In these past 1 week I have realized a lot, क्योंकि I am writing I'm writing a diary at this moment to self-analyze myself कि what all things went wrong for myself. This is the fucking thing which went wrong for myself. I thought that this is a interview in which they are testing my communication skills. Guys, for God's sake, it is not a IT sector's interview. They are checking your personality. They are checking your self-analysis. They are checking what you are, whether you are fit for the right choice for the armed forces or not. Please do not consider it as the normal interview. SSB का interview is like बहुत ऊपर है, ठीक है. I cleared 4 of the interviews in 5 interviews in my college campus placements. So I am placed in 3 of the odd companies. I was very confident. I was pretty confident. तो ये तो interview में निकाल लेगा. No, it is not like that, ठीक है. Over confidence बोल सकते हैं, but I know whatever happened is done and dusted right now, and I can only correct myself. I cannot change my past at this moment. What I can do better is make you realize that what is the importance of interview is, ठीक है. So और भी questions पूछे थे, which was like how did your lockdown went? So I was like, yeah, मेरा अच्छा ही गया. My interview, I have not given so surprising answers or so impressive answers to him, ठीक है. He's a normal guy. Why would he take a normal guy? Obviously you have to show him the real talent of yours. Like I have a talent. I cannot sit idle at my house doing nothing. Yeah, I am lazy, but I cannot sit idle. So I have started workout करता था मैं घर पे. I have manufactured or developed dumbbells, pull up bar लेके आया मैं, ठीक है. So all those kind of stuffs I have did, ठीक है. So and I was helping my mother. I was taking tuitions for the younger kids till 10th standard. So all these kind of stuffs I had to, and I was also making videos for you guys. So I had to mention all these fucking points. I did not. I failed to impress that guy. That's why I'm not recommended. So my thought for you guys, my advice for you guys is start writing what you have positive points. उसको लिखो एक पेज में and उसको हर रोज़ पढ़ो, and make sure that those points should be in your interview. You should present that points in the interview. Obviously यार, अगर उसको पता नहीं चलेगा कि आप क्या करते हो, आपके अंदर क्या पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज है, how the hell is he going to know that you are fit for the armed forces? Definitely, right? Moving on. Also he asked me some service questions which I had very much knowledge of. It's like he asked me the Balakot air strike का के बारे में पूछा था, and उसके बाद राफेल के बारे में पूछा था, which squadron it is going to be delivered to. It's like 17th squadron, which is known as Golden Arrow, and it is going to be delivered on 29th, on the day when I was having my interview. So all the service related questions तो मेरे को अच्छे से आते थे, because I was well prepared of that, and you should be also, ठीक है. ठीक है. So this is how my interview went, and I could say pretty much about myself that I have not performed how much I anticipated, that how will I perform. And yeah, if I were to be at the position of interviewing officer, I would have not recommended me for sure, for damn sure, ठीक है. And I want to ask you, if you were to be in the position of interviewing officer, would you recommend me? कमेंट में बता देना अगर बताना है तो. All right, and state the reason also. All right, based on the questions and answers which I have given, and I'll be coming up with more videos like this, and I'll be going to give more questions which were asked to my friends also, and in the coming videos. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe करो, like करो, and share ज़रूर करना यार. Let the other defense aspirant know how questions are framed. It's not based on the questions which I was asked. Is not a rocket science, right? You also know it. It's a general छोटा सा question है. Just that I was not able to speak up with my full potential. That was the problem. That was the indication to myself that I lack somewhere. Nevertheless, I know what my faults are. I know what all things I have gone through, and I'll definitely try to prepare it. I'll see what I can do, and I'll definitely try to help you. अगर आपको कोई भी doubt है, I'll leave my personal number in the description. If you have any kind of doubt, WhatsApp करो, comment box में comment करो, do whatever, but please be prepared for that. All right, and I would like to end the video now. And COVID चल रहा है यार, be safe, social distancing follow करो, and take care.